guys, I'm going squishy hunting today, and you're gonna help me. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to Five Below in Funky Monkey. Funky Monkey has Nidos in South Carolina, in Waxhaw. If y'all live in South Carolina or North, y'all need to go there. It's the best. Literally, I got this little balloon dog, Sandfeld, this like little penguin. Yeah, it's no joke. It's fun. So here's my outfit too. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a part 2 of a video, not a short. So basically, I'm gonna do squishy hunting, and I'm gonna invite y'all, my fans, yeah. And Funky Monkey just launched Nidos, and then Five Below we're only going to 2 places. And I just wanted to do a shout out about that. So bye guys.